So this is early morning exercise. I'll be walking on this staircase. I'll go up and down as many times as I can, maybe it's like 10 times. So this is early morning. So it's good for the whole body. So this is, I've gone 1, I've gone 2 times. So I'm continuing now. So I'm just waking up. This is after 6 a.m. So early morning exercise, early morning walk. So today I'm not going to the field in the morning. I'm using the staircase. I'm walking on the staircase to do the exercise. So as you wake up in the morning, also take your time out to exercise. Take the time out to exercise. It's very, very good for your health. It's very, very good for your health. These 3 times I've gone up and down now, and breathing is increasing, and that is the aim. Your breathing should improve as you walk up and down. So wake up as you are seeing this video. I encourage you to take a walk, walk this morning. So you don't need to go far in the morning. You can find somewhere around your own house and exercise. So this morning I decided to walk on the stairs, go up and down early morning. Then this is number 5 or number 6. I'm going up. The number of times is not cast in stone. You can change it. When you feel you're okay, you can stop it. I'm feeling the walk. I'm feeling the climbing and the going down in my legs already. And that is good for me. That is good for me. So exercise with me this morning. Exercise with me this morning. I'm already sweating on the face. I'm sweating on the face already. This is a lot of work. So it's good to walk. sweating seriously. I'm sweating seriously on the head. In fact, the water from the sweat is falling down. So this is climbing, ascending and descending, so it's more tedious than the normal walk. So I'm going to stop very soon. I will stop very soon. I'll stop very soon. So take your own walk. I will talk to you in the next one. Bye.